Hello, friends. The title of the book we're going to read today is Harriet's Halloween Candy by Nancy Carlson. So, Harriet's Halloween Candy. I think this is Harriet. Let's look at all that candy on the floor. And here's the author, Nancy Carlson. There's Harriet in her Halloween costume. Oh, and there she is trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treat. Harriet really got a lot of candy on Halloween. Look at that bag. When she got home, she laid it all out carefully on the floor, and then she organized it, first by color, then by size, and finally by favorites. Harriet's little brother Walter watched. He was too little to go trick-or-treating. "Harriet, you be sure to share your candy with Walt," said Harriet's mother. Does Harriet look happy about that? I don't think she does. "No," said Harriet, "it's all mine." But Harriet felt a little guilty. She kind of felt bad. "Oh, all right," she said. And she reached into her bag and pulled out a teensy-weensy piece of coconut candy. Harriet didn't like coconut anyway. Before Harriet went to bed, she packed her candy in a big box. See, she wrote "private" on the side of her box. And then she hid the box in her closet. The next morning, she got up early to eat some of her candy. After she finished 3 caramel chocolate bars, she hid the rest behind her bookcase. Throughout the day, Harriet checked on her candy. She counted it. And then she hid it in a new place every time. Pretty soon, Harriet was running out of places to hide it. "There's only one thing to do," said Harriet. "I'll have to eat it all up." And so she started to eat. First, chocolate bars with peanuts. Then licorice whips, and then peanut butter cups, and then red, blue, green, and orange gumdrops. "Burp," she said when she got to the saltwater taffy. "I don't feel so good. Maybe it is time to share." Look at this. Her tummy does not feel good. She ate too much candy. "Would you like a sugar donut, Walt? How about some caramel apples?" Yeah. Look at Harriet's face right here. It's starting to turn green because she's really feeling bad from eating all that candy. But look how happy Walt is that she's sharing with him. It made him really happy. She kind of looks like she might be really sick, though. "I'm so proud of you, Harriet," said her mother. "Sharing is a sign of a grown-up dog." "Oh," said Harriet, "I was going to share all the time." Is that true? Or is she telling a little fib to her mama? I think she's telling a little fib. I don't think she intended to share with her brother all the time. "Well, that's good," said Mother. "Now, go wash up for dinner." Look at Harriet. She ate so much candy and she feels so sick. Do you think she's hungry for dinner? I don't think so. So maybe it's a good idea to go ahead and share your candy, and don't ever eat all of it all at once, because it'll make you sick. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this story. I enjoyed reading it for you. Have a great day.